Oh, hi guys. Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We have got a very fun recipe today. It's not our recipe. It's BohemianVeganKitchen.com's recipe. My husband has decided that he's going to do a gluten-free trial to see if it helps his arthritis a little bit. So I was looking for some vegan gluten-free recipes, and I came upon this one for lentil sausage. It's gluten-free, vegan, oil-free. So that's amazing. It's really hard to tick all those boxes. So, and I just happened to have bought a bag of beluga lentils, which are right here. I just cooked them up. This is 1 cup of cooked lentils. It makes like 4 cups almost. I want to say 3 cups.
That's a lot.
I wasn't prepared for that, but
Here we are.
I know. It's a very simple recipe though, which I like. So we have our lentils that I just cooked. I'm going to link the website so you guys can go there and check out the recipe. It's not my recipe, so I don't want to post the ingredients, even though I made one change. All right, so I guess first of all, we're going to blend our spices here because this calls for fennel seed. And I don't like when people put in full fennel seeds in their recipes because I have a lot of dental work and I don't want to break any of it. So I like when the fennel seeds are crushed down into a powder. So let me tell you what's all in here. Well, we have salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper. No, that's what I left out. Thyme, sage, smoked paprika. No, I only had regular paprika, so that's why I have my liquid smoke over here. We're going to add that when we add the liquid ingredients. Tamari sauce, maple syrup is going in separate. All right, so we're going to blend this up. Don't worry, I'll link the site so you guys will get all of the ingredients and all of the instructions for this. Don't mind me, I always change everything anyway. All right, so I'm going to take it over here to the blender and hope this works. Done. All right, that was easy. You could also do that in a mortar and pestle if you have that. I just didn't want to drag it out, and because you know how I feel about cleaning things. I don't like it. So, smell that. Wait, she's just got to smell that.
Ooh. Yes, that's a beautiful flavor profile.
Do you smell sausage when you smell that? It's the fennel seed.
Mm-hmm.
My dad used to put fennel seed in meatballs all the time when he would cook for us. And we'd be like, Daddy, did you put sausage in there? Daddy's secret. All right, so we're going to add that to the bowl that I already have over here, which has, yes, a whole cup of ground flaxseed.
Whoa.
A whole cup. And they recommend using rolled oats, but I went one more and I used ground up rolled oats because, again, I don't want a big piece of oat in it. I want to live the fantasy. All right, so we're adding our spices to that. And I also added, right there, a tablespoon of the Orrington Farms vegan vegetable powder. I didn't cook it. I didn't cook the lentils in bouillon, so I just added it later. And we're going to add our drained lentils. These were dried, and they've been cooking for what, about 20-25 minutes?
Yeah, I guess
they're nice and soft now. Now we'll add our liquid smoke to give it that barbecue-y flavor. So 3 little squirts.
Okay.
And then the only 2 other ingredients are maple syrup, which is amazing. Oh, it's so good. I just took a big whiff of that. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of that. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons of this. This isn't tamari, this is liquid aminos, but it's the same thing. It's gluten-free. So we'll do 2 of those. And then we're going to get these mixed up. We're going to make 12 patties. And we're going to put them on here. All right, let's hope this works.
Mix it all up.
That's right.
We'll see you when it's mixed.
Yes. Okay, I'm really impressed with the texture. Usually, you could only get a texture like this when you're working with like Vital Wheat gluten to have it hold together like this. I guess that's the flaxseed in there that's really giving it some nice texture. But it makes a pretty nice patty. Mm-hmm. And we're gonna make. I hope this is gonna. That's the size for 12. I feel like
you made a huge patty.
No, because this is supposed to go on like an Egg McMuffin type situation.
It looks thick though.
Are you fat shaming my patty?
I'm just saying. I think you're being a little generous.
No, this is.
Okay.
This is what they said.
I mean, that's like a burger.
Yeah, it's like because it goes on a Egg McMuffin.
Okay.
I'm thinking you might want to wet your hands a little bit.
Sticky.
Because it's kind of sticky. So I'm gonna shape my patties.
We'll see how many.
We'll see how many I end up with. Looks like I didn't make it.
Close though.
10.5 instead of 12, but that's okay. So full disclosure, I ate a little bit of the lentils that didn't, that wouldn't hold together. It's really good. I mean, you're not gonna fool anybody.
No.
But on a Egg McMuffin with like just egg or something, it's gonna be delicious. Or like crumbled onto a salad, I think it would be like really nice. So I've got my 10.5 here. They say 15 minutes in a 400-degree oven. Since mine are a little more cushiony, I'm gonna go with like 20 to 25 minutes. And
let's see what happens.
We'll see what happens. But I've got my toaster oven preheating to 400. So I'll let you know when they come out. All right, there is a serving suggestion.
Ooh. Yes, there's so many different ways you can eat this, but check out.
Yeah, you could use it just as like a patty, like a hamburger, sausagey type patty.
That smells so good.
Or I'm having it on a salad today for lunch. Yeah. Or you could have it with just egg on like an Egg McMuffin type situation.
Obviously, you're not fooling anybody, but...
No, but it's still going to taste good.
Yeah.
I've already had a little taste. Maddie's going to have
Actually, let me just take a little piece of like a plain one first, and then I'll try it with all the stuff.
All right. Well, on here, don't mind the dog drinking.
That's really good.
Right?
I love that with the maple syrup in there.
Yeah, it's just a hint. Mm-hmm. It's not like overtly mapley.
No.
And
that's nice.
The nice part about it is it's oil-free.
Yeah, it's a good texture.
Gluten-free.
Let's try it with a little dressing on it.
Yeah, that's got some goddess dressing on some spring mix with some fresh tomato and marinated mushrooms.
That was really nice.
Well, thank you, Bohemian Vegan Kitchen.
I wasn't sure exactly what to expect, but...
It's good, right? Lentils are very versatile. I'm
pleasantly surprised.
I want to, in 2021, eat more lentils, especially since I bought a big 5-pound bag of them.
They are very good for you.
They are very good for you. They are easy to make.
This is your lunch, but I
short cooking time. You can have some of it.
Just a little bite,
I'll what do you call it? Re-up it.
Yeah. You're gonna top it up.
Top it up. There you go.
That's delicious.
All right. Maybe you'll have the same thing.
I just might. So thank you all so much for watching.
Smash the like button.
Yeah, let us know if you give this a try. Leave a comment. Tag us on Instagram with a photo of it. We'd love to see it.
We got a big surprise coming up soon.
Yeah, we have a big announcement about the cookbook coming up on Tuesday.
Oh, so stay tuned. Subscribe for more.
Yeah, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram. We are going to be making a video about it too, but I'm not sure
when
the schedule yet. But yeah, make sure you're following us on Instagram as well, which is linked below. And thank you all so much for watching.
You're awesome.
Yep, and until next time, much love.